What is going on, guys? If you're into classic golden era Hondas like me, you should definitely pay attention to this video. Honda just made a big announcement, and I think it's going to make a lot of people happy. So Honda just announced a brand new initiative that they're doing called the Honda Heritage Works, and it's being launched on April 1st, 2026. So let's talk about it. What exactly is Honda Heritage Works? Well, so it's a new initiative by Honda aimed at helping owners of classic Hondas and Acuras keep their beloved cars on the road for years to come. So this program has two major services. The first one is Honda Heritage Parts. Now this is the one that I think Honda enthusiasts have been waiting for. Honda will be reproducing and supplying parts that were discontinued and no longer available for older Hondas. And this program consists of two different things here. We have the genuine Honda Heritage compatible parts, which is basically newly redeveloped parts using modern materials and tech to replace original parts that are no longer sold by Honda. And then the second part to this, we have genuine Honda Heritage Reproduction parts. These are parts that have been faithfully recreated exactly like the OEM originals. Same materials, same methods. And the best part about this, these will be available globally, sold through the same channels as regular Honda genuine parts. Now the second phase of this is called the Honda Restoration Service. Now this is a full restoration operation that will be offered only in Japan using those heritage parts. This service builds on Honda's long-running NSX refresh plan and makes it even more official and extensive. Now with that restoration, they're going to offer two different types of packages. They're going to have the basic restoration, which focuses on performance items like the engine, suspension, and major mechanical components. And then we have the total restoration. This includes everything: performance items, plus exterior and interior overhauls, repainting, and custom work tailored to each vehicle. Applications for the first generation NSX restoration will start in January 2026 through Honda dealers only in Japan, and it's set to start in April. Now Honda has already launched the official Honda Heritage Works website, where they're going to have more detailed info and updates. I'll put the link in the description. Now this is a huge deal for the classic Honda community, and I'm talking specifically about the parts. I mean, the restoration service is cool, but let's face it, most of us are probably in the US and we're not going to be able to take advantage of the restoration service. But parts for older cars can be incredibly hard to find, and restoring these iconic machines to their former glory is getting a lot easier with this. As far as the restoration goes, although they're starting with the NSX, this program could expand to support other classics in the future, like the S2000, Civic Type R, and even more. So if you've been thinking about, or you're in the process of restoring a classic Honda and you're looking for OEM or JDM parts, this could be a big deal to a lot of people. I'm really excited about this. I think it's a great idea and I'm looking forward to it. I know that there's certain parts that I need to get for my RSX Type S, and it could be hard. A lot of stuff is discontinued. Sometimes the dealers just don't have it anymore and you have to go to the secondary market. So this is going to be a really big deal. I'm very happy that Honda is doing this, and hopefully we'll see more of this from other manufacturers in the future. Don't forget to like and subscribe this video. I'm DC5 James, and I'll see you on the next one. Peace.